nobody has any excuse as to why they can't cook. One person pot of soup. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's Saturday, it's the weekend. I decided to do a spend the day with me. So yeah, even though it's supposed to start from a wake up and whatever, but the morning was moving very fast. I didn't get around to that, but we're gonna start now. So it's actually minutes to 9 and I'm heading to the gym for a 10 o'clock session. So we'll start off with that. So get ready. So if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed, I hope by the end of this video you'll hit that button. Leave me a thumbs up, guys, and also let's keep the chat going down in the comment section. So let's get going, guys. So guys, I don't know, today just seemed to be very hot on a different level. I did. I imagine if I sweat so I'm gonna reach a gym yet, what's going to happen? So today, what does today look like? So going to the gym now. From last night I feel for Island Grill. So I might go and buy the jerk with the veggies because I'm off rice. So I might try the jerk with the veggies. Then after that I'm going to come to Manda's house to do some videos. We're going to batch record some videos. So yes, I'm going to come to Manda's to do the videos. So I'm going to stop in Half a Tree and get some props. I need some additional props. I see me sweat. So I'm going to stop in Half a Tree and get some additional props for one of the videos. But the things I want cotton. Yeah, because yes, I want a bag of cotton. But by the time you see this video, that challenge would already be posted on my channel. So no matter. So I'm going to stop in Half a Tree, get something to eat after gym. Then I'm going to go get the cotton and yeah, go back to Manda's to film the videos. Then I think I'll go in the supermarket today. But you know how curfew stay, me I pray to God so I get to go. Curfew is 7 o'clock. But hopefully we finish with the recordings by about 2-3 thereabouts. I can just dash to the supermarket. It's month end. I'm praying the supermarkets aren't too packed. So guys, I don't know what in life Manda is always doing so long that anytime I come pick her up to go gym, I always have to wait 10 to 20 minutes for this young lady, but I'm not really sure what they are here to do.
Good morning.
Good morning. So she's finally here about 15 minutes later.
I did a cook.
What you cook for?
So I come back and eat.
Oh,
I make last week when I go gym.
What you cook?
Last week after gym, I nearly dead for hungry. But not do it again.
What you cook?
But then carry up on the road for about 2 hours.
Me carry up on the road for about 2 hours?
That not happened to me again.
And me one day look things to buy?
And you make me go look things to buy because you carry up on the road.
Guys, what are you cooking? I was planning to stop and buy food after you so I can come sponge.
I never cook enough.
Guys, get friends who care. I'll still go and get my Island Grill. So we're going to move now. So guys, this vlogging thing, I'm new to it. I totally forgot after I left the gym that I should be recording what I'm doing. So I'm now at Manda's. I did get the stuff I said I needed for the challenge. So the cottons. Bought a pack in Woolworths. And I bought a weaving cap for another project. I'm thirsty. Whereas after the ice melt and it never sweet again, I just drink it off. Yeah, so I'm going to freshen up and stuff before we get into the videos. So we'll show you a little piece of us setting up for our videos, not a lot, because you know we can't show you too much and something. Yeah. So guys, now we're just setting up. We're getting ready to do video 1 of 4.
That's a record?
Yeah, it's a record.
Oh.
I see, maybe I put it in. Yeah, so we're batch recording today. So we're going to get into that. So I'll show you a piece of our next one.
Hey, the place hot, you know?
The place hot, man. The place hot bad. It's record and hear all the fans, so this is what I need to do.
Alright. You sure it's bright enough?
Seems bright to me. So we're now moving on to video 2. But the perfectionist.
Sure, me I sweat too much.
The perfectionist cannot set up the camera so that we can move on to video number 2. And we still have 2 more videos to go.
The place hot.
And the place hot. And I'm just there. I'll wait for Miss Perfectionist.
See then no. Wait, I think.
So guys, what's happening in your life today? Comment below.
You don't see I
What do you normally do on the weekends? By now, normally after I leave the gym, I would be home sleeping. Maybe watching my favorite YouTubers or something, but I'm here waiting on Miss Perfectionist to set up the camera. So we just completed one of the 4 videos, well the last one of the 4 videos. So from here now I'm going to move on to the supermarket, so I'll let you see what's happening there, guys. Yeah, good morning to you guys. I know yesterday I ended the vlog saying that I was heading to the supermarket, but you know, our curfew work and them something there, so I didn't get to the supermarket. So it's now Sunday morning and I'm heading there now. So this is now a weekend vlog, but yeah, so let's go, guys. So I'm out again in my I Can't Breathe shirt, because you know the Black Lives Matter struggle is still going on, so I can't breathe. Yeah, I don't know when that struggle will ever end, but we just have to keep pushing. Just have to keep hoping that one day we will get equality for blacks, for all races actually, because all minority, what's considered to be minority groups, will get equality for everybody. So until then, we continue to fight, we continue to try. Yeah. So guys, there are no oranges in here. But this time around, guess what I found? Guess what's here this time? There's no orange, but there's lemon. I wonder how much of them are lemon, you know. Oh, not tofu. Oh, yeah. So I want to make some fish and bami later, so I'm going to get some bami. I don't know this one, but Vietnam. cocktail bundles. I want to take these. So I'm on diet, so I'm supposed to be eating fruits and vegetables. So those cucumbers for dinner later. Tomato paste and not bad still. So my diet is supposed to be no carbs, low carbs. So that's no rice, no flour. I just try to take the no sugar, but I know sugar do this. And low on fruits. But they don't have any orange, so I'm going to buy orange juice. They have to stay with me. Really want some vitamin in my life. So I'm trying to torture myself walking through the snack aisle because I can't buy anything. So I got to take up 2 crackers though. 2 crackers don't hurt nobody. So I guess I'm technically saving because I ain't buying no snacks. Little crackers. So, but it's been 3 weeks since I've had ice cream or anything like that. So I'm gonna buy a little ice cream also. Little ice cream don't kill nobody. It's the ice cream don't kill nobody. Definitely ain't gonna kill me. My smoothie, so I normally buy the instant juice. You probably just buy 3 because I know guys, these are not mine. For people who are on diet, what do you snack on? What do you get to eat? Because I can't eat oats every day. I'm not gonna eat oats every day. I'm gonna eat oats every day.
So banga, I like banga.
No, no banga. I want to steam all of this though. Nobody has any excuse as to why they can't cook. 1 person pot of soup, 4 chicken foot, 2 pieces of corn, pumpkin, thyme, pepper, carrots.
Liver seasoning.
The liver seasoning already.
It's like a pot roast liver.
Because they don't cut it up. See from the pot of soup mix, pumpkin, corn, carrot, pepper, spring, and everything.
Cut up on the
Oh yeah, cut up the tuna because then just put it in the bag so you can make a breakfast.
Nice though.
You want to make sweet and sour chicken. What that there, huh?
Sour chicken.
Sweet and sour chicken with all the pineapple they give you. Jerk chicken seasoned already. Cut up cut up? No, you not cut up, look like half a chicken. Southern fried chicken seasoned already. Get all the pepper and everything already. Meatball. Oh God, all the beef meatball. Oh, that one is on. Oh, that link already, see. It's a brown stew. Brown stew. Curry chicken. Fricassee chicken. Like when I don't have no excuse, ladies. And then, to cook on the dinner night time. Come in here, going to take it up, take up 2 pounds of rice or dozen banana. Go and go cook your dinner. No excuse not to cook. So, I am on diet, but they're not on diet. So, mom is buying bun and bread and hot dog. Make hot dog and those things. So, I'll be watching them eating all the things I can't eat. What do you have to say for yourself, mother? What do you have to say about yourself?
I starve myself.
Not starving myself.
I'm not starving myself, I'm just on diet.
Oh, it's country, so.
Yeah. I'm gonna look for now. Biscuit. Get your family that supports you in your goals, not people who are taking up the fatty stuff. Look at her.
I want it so. You want to dry for than this?
Right. Yeah, come you can just put them in the
You know what it's cool, right?
just peel them and put them in the freezer.
You want to hold it cool?
And they're not too right.
So nice on
This? Peel it? Yeah, them are nice. Look up one of the free bag. So I think that's it. Can go to the cashier now. Yeah, what shall we do? So we're through. I'm gonna go now. Go home and make a smoothie, since that's what my life entails now. Smoothies. Sun hot, sun hot bad. Not Jesus. So there was a pen sticking out of my purse and I cut my leg. Let's go. So this is brunch. Fried breadfruit. Not frying it too crisp, I'm not supposed to be eating fry. Liver. And some fried plantain. Yes, so guys, I think this is where I'm going to close off the vlog. I'm in so much pain from gym yesterday, like my arms, because we did a lot of arm work. My arms are killing me. My foot bottom, my heel, my knee, my thigh, my calf. I'm just under pressure. So I think today is going to be a very lazy Sunday. I might be doing a video later with what I'm making for my dinner. So I'm going to get some rest before that. And also I need to wash this hair. You see, right now it look like one of them girl down a town who a struggle to catch up them ear now one. And this isn't it. Nah. Birthday month is about to kick off and stuff. But by the time I see this video, it will be in September. Yeah, so fix up, I gotta go on soon. So I'm gonna wash it soon. I'm gonna wash my hair, get a little nap, then make dinner. And then that's it. So thanks for tuning in to my vlog, guys. Until next time. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Let's have a little conversation in the comment section, guys. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you can know anytime it is I post. So until next time, guys. Peace.